In this video, we're going to talk about how you can do the Uber Eats background check. So here, this article reads, partners are required to pass a criminal background check. This can be done online and is usually processed within 14 days. And you will receive a confirmation email. So what is required of us? So first, we need to provide our consent here. So we have a separate policy for Uber Eats and for Uber Rides. So here, if you click on Uber Eats, then it's going to ask you for request. And here we just have to click on allow. So after we click on allow here, it's going to refer us to the national crime check. This is for Australia, but we can read a little bit further down here about what's required of us. So we can provide our details, address, and name. So this is actually required. So our details will be pre-populated based on our Uber profile. And we have to check to make sure that all of the details are correct here. So it's gonna ask for our legal name, email address, background check. So we can choose for Uber Eats delivery right here, and you have to accept the terms. Now, what is going to follow? So what proof of the identity will I need to provide? So if we can provide, or we will need to provide 4 different forms of ID to count as having verified our identity. So commencement of ID document, primary use in community document, and secondary use in community documents. So the following section will list all the common documents with these categories. You can reference this article, and the options include a passport, visa, birth certificate, immigration card, and document of identity issued by the Department of Foreign Affairs. And here are some primary use options in the community documents. So we have driver license, marriage certificate, overseas passport, or Australian photo ID card. And here are the secondary use in community documents categories. So here, this is where you can see all of your information, and then you have to fill out your info right here. And then we will need to verify, commit our payment, not commit payment, but verify our payment details, and then just verify all of the details. And this is going to begin, and it's going to take a little bit of time, like up to 2 weeks to complete the background check. So hope this was informative. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.